How to invite collaborators on Instagram after posting reels. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can invite collaborators on Instagram after you have posted the reel, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to invite collaborators to your Instagram reel after you've already posted them, well, let me show you how it's done. First of all, open the Instagram app. Let's say you were just trying to create a specific reel by tapping the plus icon, going to the reels tab, and then just selecting a specific reel over here, right? Once you've selected the reel, you would have to tap the next option, and when you go to the next option, you would have the option called tag people, and then here you would find the option called invite collaborators, as you'd be able to find it. So if you want to invite them before posting, it would have been possible. But what if the post has already actually been made? Now there's only a slight difference between tagging people and inviting. Inviting collaborator means the reel can also be posted on their profile and not only on your own profile, but tagging will only tag them. It won't show up on their profile. It will definitely show up in their tag feed though. But if you want to, let's say, invite collaborators after you've already posted a specific reel, so let me just come back to my old tab over here, and then once I've done this, I'm coming to my home page. I'll go to the reels tab. I'll just select a random reel over here. Once I've done that, I can just tap the three dots option, and over here you'll be able to see different sorts of options such as manage and so on. And here you can see partnership, label and ads. You can just try to go to this option, but you can see we don't have the option to invite collaborators. Similarly, if I just tap the three dots option and go to manage, here you'll find the edit button. You can tap the edit button, but if you tag the tag people option, you can see we only have the option to tag people. So unfortunately, you cannot invite collaborators after you've already posted a reel. The only thing you can do is you can simply tag them, or you can simply delete the whole reel itself and then just try to re-invite them as a collaborator to your post. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.